Yes, yes, one. Yes, okay. Okay. What letter is this? I. Very good. Okay, next. Blue. Okay. This is an elephant. Is it big or small? Big. Yay! Okay, next. Orange. Come in. Okay, yan. This is a building, and this is a house. Which is tall? What's that?
Tall.
Tall building.
Tall pretty.
Very good. Tinuro ka din. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Come in. Parang wala na.
Matatalo ako.
Pick one again. Please have it. Pick one. Choose, yes. Oh, okay. Okay. What is the color of a banana?
Yellow. Yellow.
Next, Kuya Rembrandt. Mamaya. Wala pa kayo dito. Okay. Which object is long? Which object is long?
Long.
Long ano?
Long. Crayon long.
This is a crayon. This is a pencil. Which is long?